What's the best workout for me? This is a common question for those who want to be more active and even for those who already exercise but wonder if they've made the right choice for their goals. Let's talk about the 3 most popular options right now, their benefits, and who they're best suited for. Welcome to the HealthyFit Guide, where we're here to help you become your best self. When it comes to health, looks, and feeling good from exercise, a lot of questions pop up. Am I doing it right? Did I pick the right workout? Does it have to be so tough and unmotivating? If you're not used to working out or doing it under medical guidance, you've probably had these thoughts. Not getting answers can lead to 3 situations: never starting to work out, constantly switching between activities without really benefiting from any of them, or just giving up altogether. Not everyone enjoys exercising, and that's okay. But for those who can, working out can be as easy as watching your favorite TV show. But if that's not your case, the best way to build a workout routine is to find what suits your life and, most importantly, you. We'll talk more about that later. Let's take a look at the 3 most popular workouts around, who they're good for, and what to watch out for. Functional training. Functional training aims to improve your whole body, from weight and muscle mass to agility, speed, and coordination. It's based on movements we use in our daily lives. Originally, it came from high-performance sports training like martial arts, soccer, swimming, and running. In sports, you need specific strengths. A sprinter needs explosiveness and acceleration, a basketball player needs jumping power, and a powerlifter needs dense muscles. Functional training takes a bit of each to benefit everyday people like you and me. Cross-training is the most popular form of functional training these days. It combines movements from gymnastics, weightlifting, and includes cardio too. If you want an all-around body ready for anything, functional training is for you. It's pretty safe for everyone because you can adjust it to your needs. But because it's dynamic, it might not be ideal if you have knee or lower back pain. And be careful not to overdo it or combine exercises incorrectly, as it could lead to shoulder and knee problems over time. High-intensity interval training (HIIT). HIIT is a workout that gained popularity about 10 years ago, and it really exploded during the pandemic when gyms closed. It's super dynamic and practical, and you can even do it at home without any equipment. HIIT involves short, intense exercises with no rest in between. For example, after doing a leg exercise, you immediately do an intense upper body exercise. It originated from running, where coaches aim to help athletes cope better with stress during races and increase endurance. They did this by alternating short sprints with active rests, keeping the body moving. Today, it's the best way to lose weight, and the sessions last no more than 20 to 25 minutes. The goal is intensity, not duration. It's convenient, but you might feel nauseous or dizzy during HIIT workouts. And if you have joint pain or are unfamiliar with exercise, your options for combining exercises might be limited, and you might not enjoy it as much. Group exercise. The first 2 workouts can be done in groups, but they're best personalized. Group exercise, like dance, indoor cycling, and team sports, is about having fun and feeling good mentally. They're excellent for starting and staying active. Let's talk a bit about each. Dance is scientifically proven to boost mental well-being beyond the physical. People who dance improve their mood and self-esteem, and it's even recommended for those dealing with depression and apathy. It's pretty safe, just be respectful of each person's learning pace. Indoor cycling, also known as spinning, improves cardiovascular capacity and is enjoyable and playful. You can do virtual cycling tours or team competitions. It's not recommended if you have epilepsy or heart rhythm issues. Team sports like soccer, baseball, and basketball are also great for getting in shape and super fun. But it depends on your experience with the sport and if your body is ready for it. If you haven't played before, it's not ideal for specific goals like losing weight or gaining muscle, as you'll spend some time learning the sport. Now, which workout should you choose? If you want a well-defined body, lose weight, and build some muscle, and don't have joint issues, functional training is for you. If you want to lose weight but don't have much time or motivation to work out for a long time, HIIT is perfect. And if you want to enjoy exercise and have an active, social life, consider going for the sport you loved or enjoyed watching as a kid. Now it's up to you. Think about it, weigh the information, and find what works best for you. If you have any questions, we're here to help. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to the channel and share the video with someone who could use it. Until next time, thank you.